In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add apps to your Samsung home screen. Adding apps to your home screen can make it quicker and easier to access your favorite apps without having to search for them in the app drawer. To get started, swipe up, just like this. Now you'll see the installed apps on your Samsung device. What you want to do next is find the app that you want to add to your home screen. You can tap on the search bar up top and search for any specific app. Once you find the app, long press the app icon, and then simply tap Add to Home. Now that app is on the home screen. You can also change the app icon position on the home screen. To do that, long press the app icon and move it anywhere you want. Let go of that app icon to place it in place. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.